Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be doing time in Sotho. Hona jwale. Hona jwale. Hona jwale means now. Ha morao. Ha morao. Ha morao means later. Pele. Pele. Pele means before. Who sang? Who sang? Who sang means morning. Motiari wa mantsibuya. Motiari wa mantsibuya. Motiari wa mantsibuya means in the afternoon. Pirimana. Pirimana. Pirimana means evening. Busiu. Busiu. Busiu means night. Hora ya pili hudima hloho. Hora ya pili hudima hloho. Hora ya pili hudima hloho means 1 o'clock. Hora ya bubedi hudima hloho. Hora ya bubedi hudima hloho. Hora ya bubedi hudima hloho means 2 o'clock. Husani. Husani. Husani means tomorrow. Kajeno. Kajeno. Kajeno means today. Dilimo. Dilimo. Dilimo means years. Dikgwedi. Dikgwedi. Dikgwedi means months. Dibeke. Dibeke. Dibeke means weeks. Matsatsi. Matsatsi. Matsatsi means days. Dihora. Dihora. Dihora means hours. Mitsutsu. Mitsutsu. Mitsutsu means minutes. Harampa ya motsiare. Harampa ya motsiare. Harampa ya motsiare means noon. Busiu ba khitla. Busiu ba khitla. Busiu ba khitla means midnight. Hora. Hora. Hora means hour. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.